Here's a quick video on this Reolink Elite Pro Floodlight PoE camera. The thing that makes this camera different than others is that it has 16 megapixel dual lenses that provide you a 180-degree panoramic view. It also has local AI video search, as well as color and infrared night visions. It also has 24/7 smart detection that records with motion tracking. Best of all, it's very easy to install. The instruction manual was well written and includes a lot of illustrations to guide you through the installation process. The camera can be installed both indoor and outdoor. The camera includes all the mounting hardware you need to install this on the ceiling or on the wall. And to be on the safe side, they even included spare screws for you. The dual camera system records in 16 megapixel, provides ultra high definition picture. It has a 180-degree panoramic dual camera coverage that doesn't have any blind spots. Also equipped with a 2800 lumen ultra bright floodlight, which deters intruders and captures full color details even in complete darkness. It also has the latest AI technology, built-in intelligent detection. Once a moving object is detected, it knows whether it's a human, vehicle, or animal. As an extra deterrent, you can set up the camera so it can trigger a 105 decibel siren or a user-entered voice. You can record the video onto a micro SD card. There's no subscription fees or anything like that. The maximum card you can use is 512 GB, which can record weeks of footage if you use motion detection. Unlike other security camera systems, the video recording is subscription-free. Feature that I like the best is that it's PoE, which makes installation super easy. You just need one cable for video and power. I'm going to show you how easy it is to install this camera. I'm going to swap out this floodlight that I have in my garage. It's probably over 20 years old and uses a lot of electricity. As I mentioned earlier, the camera installation is super easy with the Reolink. For instance, all the screws are labeled and separated in its own bag. Depending on your installation, follow the instructions on the user manual. They tell you which bags and screws to use. The first thing you want to do is remove all the hardware from your old lighting system. Next, you want to install the mounting bar that is included with the Reolink camera. Tighten the screw on the right and left of the bar. Then the next thing you want to install is the mounting bracket. On top of the bracket, there's a little bubble that lets you know if the bracket is leveled or not. Next, tighten the center screw. Give it a wiggle and make sure everything is tight. Next, put the camera over the bracket and then tighten the two side screws. The great thing about the floodlight is that it's fully adjustable. You can move it up and down and sideways. Just point it at the location that you want illuminated. Floodlights can rotate 240 degrees. Once both screws are attached, then put the rubber plug over the holes. And the camera is fully adjustable too. You can rotate it 43 degrees in any direction. As I mentioned earlier, camera supports both wall and ceiling installations. Once the camera is set up, then the last step you want to do is install the mobile software. If you have multiple Reolink's camera on your property, you can view and control them all with the same software. If you need extended recording, you can also save it onto a Reolink NVR. Here's a sample video of my installation. I love how clear the video is and how vibrant the colors are. The video is great both day and night. Knowing that my property is being recorded, it offers a peace of mind when I'm not at home. It also has a 2-year warranty.